They finally did it. They made a game about mewing, and now I can mew. Um. Oh. Interesting. I'll do red. Kitty! Holy shit, what's going on? Science! Scared you, didn't I? I know how scary a buzzword like science can be these days. But trust me when I say science can actually be a good thing sometimes. Take this table, for instance. A science made this table and the floor it sits on. There are even people out there who believe that a science made you and I. But I digress. The point I was trying to make here is that cats are a science too. A science that I, Thomas A. Beanies, invented. But what would you like to do with all this? Well, word on the street is that you're a bit of a felinologist yourself. I know we just met, but I bet if you and I can put our brains together, we could actually change the world. With cats. Now take a gander at these fine specimens. This is my latest batch, straight out of their bio vats. Choose two, a boy and a girl. Trust me, you'll find out why later. Meow. Meow. I definitely like this guy. I think I like Miss Bill. What's wrong with Frankie? Wow, okay. I didn't expect you to pass on the best of the bunch. Whatever. Their pieces will be put to good use. Whoa! Whoa! Okay. Isn't nature just cruel? You did that, man. You did that. But it doesn't have to be. In fact, I think with my brains and your ability to choose less than ideal cats, we could really shake things up. Well, with enough cats, I bet we could reverse time. Maybe even make dying impossible? All I need is a nuke, radioactive blood, and a bit of elbow grease. Don't worry. I'll be sure to harvest some from Frankie's elbows before they're incinerated. Now go, my child. Go into the world and hoard some cats. Oh, guess we go here. Kicked you out, huh? Yeah, he does that. Name's Butch. And even I thought I could give a frick if you live or not. I can't help but see a bit of myself in you. If you get what I mean. You want to survive in Boone Country? You're gonna need to learn how to fight. So listen up. This is your team. This is a crafting table. This is an enemy. Your goal is to kill them all. Oh. Meow. Okay. You could tell that because of Paul right there. Okay. Alright. 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 Okay. Click move. Now that you're next to the rat, you can attack it. Mow. Sweet. You really destroyed that bastard. Did you notice that you got a buff when you kicked that thing? Oh, passive ability. Random stat up when you down a unit. You can also hover your cat to learn with that buff. Just 2. Strength increased by 1. Strength effect melee. Okay. Really, how much so far? So fortunately, you. Okay. 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 It's now Miss Bill's turn. As a ranged basic attack. When selecting where to move, you can. Okay. Moving. Okay. I can't move outside of this. Okay. Quick roll and then roll closer to that thing. Okay. Oh, is that a shit? Is that a little turd? Okay. I didn't think I was lobbing shits at this thing. Intern. No! No! Okay. No. Oh, okay. So spit again. Real thick one. Okay. All right. Awesome. Oh. Okay, what are your levels? What are my cats gonna level up? A lot better. Look at all these options. Originally, I was gonna let you choose, but there's a pretty awesome combo here. Yes. Burn you inflict is increased by 1. Oh. Yeah, I guess that'd be fair. Every cat's different, so check out. Wait, okay. Make or break a run and combo. Okay. Should you use your bronze or brains to get past him? Not smart. Small catnip baggie. Alright, what does that do? Okay. Stick! I have to go check out what that is. A melee attack with... Oh! Okay. Interesting. Gain mana. I think you can use this. Alright. Now I know how to equip stuff. The normal boys versus Pebble. Boss fight. I trained Pebble myself. He's about to rock your world. Show me what you've got. Attack from behind to do the most damage. Oh, he goes first. Damn. Okay, he seems to be maybe more of a... Oh. Okay. What's your health? Damn it. Okay. Oh. Alright. Let's lob a fat shit on him. Oh, awesome. Can I... Alright, I'll end it. Hmm? Oh. Interesting. No. Oh, it put him out. Interesting. Oh. Okay. Miss Bill, no. Go. Why aren't you hitting? Oh. No. Meow. Alright, I guess I'll end the turn. What the hell? Oh, no! Miss Bill! It's reduced permanently? Okay. Damn. Meow. Meow. Alright. This seems easy. F you. Awesome. Meow. Spawn a poop. Charisma. Health. Strength. I don't know what a poop does. Heal and adjacent. I mean, 2 HP doesn't do a lot. Oh. Food, coins, items, treasures. Okay. Okay. Bye. Yes. Meow. Well, hello, neighbor. Yes, it's me, Mr. Tinkles. You've no doubt heard about me around town, and yes, all the rumors are true. I spread them myself, just like my legs. What am I saying? This guy's awesome. God, I'm so bad. Anyways, you call me Tink. My God, look at these kitties. They just returned home from an adventure and they look busted. Cats that have already been on adventures are tired. That means they won't be going on any more adventures. Why don't you take these guys inside? Ah, yeah. I just broke his back. Oh! How do you make that sound? What are you saying? In the day, yeah. Wait, what do you say about food? I don't know. Something about having enough food. I can see their genders. I can see the crown. That's just in storage? No. No, no trash. Do I have limited storage? Damn. I guess I'll end there. Whoa! Okay. That thing looks awesome. Okay. Oh my, what an eventful night! Don't tell my wife about what I just saw. Oh, you have a new kitten. She'll need to grow up before she can go on an adventure, though. Don't worry, there's something in the water that makes them grow up in like a day. Also, look, a stray cat has come to your house looking for love. Oh! You toads take them inside, right? Aren't you made of enough kittens? Okay. You want 4? You don't have enough yet. So keep ending the day and collecting strays until you do. Also, you can right-click the kitten to see if she inherits anything from parents. Check her stats. What are you doing? Okay. Need another unit. Allies gain damage, melee attack, charisma, luck, strength. Serafina, speed. You have terrible stats. Okay. Intelligence is fine. You can roll, and you suck. Alright. I guess, yeah, there's nothing for me to do, so... I just want to see what that yarn ball icon is. Is this one by it? I don't know if that's a stick or not. Is that how many items I have? Or is that... What the hell? You're 2. Self-assured. Dude, why are your parents awesome and you suck? Alright, I'm gonna end the day. At it again. This better be a better child. Braveheart? What do you, why is there a question mark? I don't, wait, what? Why is there a question mark? It's got pretty alright stats though. Range attack that turns anything that kills into meat. Awesome. Where is you? You're not bad. You're not terrible. Focus. Game +1 archery, I guess. Oh, so that works for this. Okay, you're not bad. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't. What do we do? Oh, do I have to wait another day? Alright then. Oh, we can illustrate that you have enough cats to go on their adventure. We'll put them in an adventure box and get them ready for a journey. Oh, you are a strange looking one. What? At least I know your gender. Each unit turns to face you. Okay. I think you were good. You were pretty good. Ray of Heart was pretty good. And then I guess at least you have something going for you, whereas you suck. You're a disappointment. Oh, fighter, hunter, mage. Okay, let's see. Braveheart. You guys are my tanky boys, I guess. What do you have? Guess you're my only ranged guy. Oh, you're green now, okay. Fighter, who has the most strength? Okay, one of these two. You have worse health. Mage. Who would be the mage? Can't you... Yeah, you can cast stuff.
Meow.
And then I guess... I don't know. Yeah, I mean, you have pretty good health already. You look like a tank. You just look naturally tanky, I guess. So... Alright, let's lock in. I guess I'll give to that guy. I don't like you, man. Get behind me! The alleyway? Alright. Tom. Kitties. Alright, you're going first. What's this, Chew? Melee attack with life steal. Push forward 1 space. After using a big dash forward as far as you can.
Meow.
I guess go over here just to get close. Your back is fucked up. Whoa. I don't. What's the point of this, dude? Turtle style? Alright. You're fine.
Meow.
Oh.
Meow.
Damn it. Okay, well. Why are you so slow? Alright, yeah. I think giving him the archer perk made him even slower, so. Your basic attack inflicts charm? I can't get too close to these guys. Alright, I guess. Ooh. Alright, I'll move you over here.
Nice little bow on top.
What? What did you say? Interesting. Damn it. Wow. I missed? Alright, whatever. Oh my goodness. You just straight up killed that guy. Dear God. Kill him. Kill him. Yes. Okay. Tile targeted spell? Okay. Okay. That would suck. Let's skip to the next turn. Huh. I guess. Yeah, you can take that. I don't know. I got one for you. What's best? Scabs or cuts?
Meow. Meow.
What do they say? Callus? What? What's going on? Why are you doing that? Stop. I'll take a sip of my water. In the battle. Okay. Yeah. Oh, okay. Take it off. I don't. It was already ugly. He's even worse now. Okay. Okay. Does nothing.
Meow.
Oh. Oh, ah, ah, ah. Holy shit. Alright. I can't do anything else.
Meow.
Meow. Love my shit. Oh, what? The flies are attacking me? I thought you were part of the scenery. What the hell? Oh. Why did you do that? Okay.
Nice little bow on top.
Nice little bow on top. Am I supposed to get this? Oh, and the coins? Oh,
Meow.
I did not see this guy right here for some reason. I thought it was over. Oh wait, no, this guy can teleport into the grass. I could have teleported over there. I don't know what this is. Okay. Turn.
Nice little bow on top.
Meow.
Awesome.
Nice little bow on top.
Nice little board on top. Hmm. um. What's the point of this, though? We'll do a spin. I guess it does damage. Yeah, it says right there. I like this. Fucking nail board. I guess you could use this because you don't have any melee. No! You. Why would that happen? Oh my god. Lucy. That's all I have.
Nice little bow on top.
Wait, I'm confused.
Meow.
Yeah, that was pointless. Love my shit. Are you serious? Oh, what? Okay, so we have to get out of the way. I understand. I get this now. Um. Oh, damn it.
Ow.
Hmm.
Meow.
Oh, what the hell? Why are you asleep?
Meow.
Excellent. I don't know. No!
Oh.
Wait, I can end this. Damn it. Amazing! Hmm. I like this. Uh. What? Brother. Okay. A defense. Who needs defense?
Meow.
Hmm. Ult damage.
Meow.
'Cause you have that big attack. Kitty. What are you? Cat collar? Oh, cat collar. That's funny. You did not just charm him. Okay. Hmm.
Meow. Nice little ball on top.
Nice little ball on top.
Meow.
Maggots? A weird looking maggot. What the heck is this thing? Leaper? Well, it's dead.
Meow. Meow.
I win! Awesome!
Meow.
Huh. Shoot a flea at a unit? You and adjacent heal. That's pretty alright. Huh.
Meow.
Okay. Bash it. Okay. Awesome. Start with a bomb if you have no weapons equipped. Huh. Guess you're the one guy who doesn't
Meow.
have anything. Hmm. Hmm.
Meow.
Oh. Serial killer? After you kill 3 units. You're immune to negative. Your projectiles bounce to. Oh. Spawn fleas.
Meow.
I could go home. Or I could. No, I could just go home. Radical rat.
Tasty legs and crispy thighs on my mind. I'm so hungry now, I'm gonna chase 'em, grab 'em, fry 'em. So tasty, tasty legs. So tasty, tasty legs. So tasty, tasty legs. Find 'em in the dumpster or in the house.
No!
Shake, shake, shake 'em and bake 'em. Shake, shake, shake 'em and bake 'em. Grab 'em by the tail, they're tastier than snails. Grab 'em, stop 'em, skin 'em, crunch 'em. Grab 'em, stop 'em,
Yes!
skin 'em, crunch 'em.
I did it.
Nice and low on top.
All of my nights chasing rats. All of my days I'm taking naps. And in my dreams I'm the king of cats.
Meow.
All of my
This
nights
is gonna suck.
chasing rats. All of my days I'm taking naps. And in my dreams I'm the king of cats. I will hunt you down. There will be nowhere to hide. Bones littered at my feet. All
Ah.
I got is rats to eat. I'm not the cat you wanna meet. What's your business on my street?
Oh no! The hell? Okay.
Put 'em in the fryer, stick 'em on a griddle. A couple slices of bread, stuff a rat in the middle. If you're not too finicky, I'll make a fricassee. For you and me, babe. Eating rats, yeah.
Wrapped it all up.
In this alley, I'm the king.
Yes!
Like salmon and onion rings. Got no time for
Oh!
chasing rats when my belly sings. Like a hole
You can kill him.
with grimy claws. Tetanus shoots from my claws. Into you, out of me. Into you, out of me.
We did it!